Y'all, this is my good friend, my good buddy, Donna Foltz. Donna and I are gonna go on a picnic today. Next, it's a spinach and strawberry salad made with the freshest ingredients in Georgia.
I know you're a taster.
You can use my mouth to taste with any time. I want you to start peeling that cucumber.
Okay.
I'm gonna measure out about 1/3 of a cup of slivered almonds that we're gonna roast in a pan.
And how much cucumber would you like?
I would like for you to seed and peel
Okay.
that whole cucumber, please. So you've got your spinach leaves over there. I've got about a quart of strawberries.
Now, I didn't ask you. I'm assuming you want me to dice it?
Yeah, dice it. Dice it up, fairly small.
Okay.
And we're not gonna dress our salad before we leave on our picnic because, it would make our spinach go limp. And we don't want that. And you can cut these strawberries down any way you want to. You can slice them, quarter them,
They're so
half
fresh.
them.
Oh,
These are
they're
beautiful strawberries. All right, so I'm gonna just toss our strawberries in there, y'all. And you can just throw those cucumbers on in here.
I know you're a taster. I'm a taster.
Yes, I'm a taster.
And not only am I a taster, everybody in my kitchen, when they come in the front door, if they come for dinner, I'm like, okay, so here.
Here, let me get that closer. You can use my mouth to taste with any time. All right, now we're gonna make a wonderful sweet little dressing for our salad. So we've got just a little screw top jar. We're gonna use 1/3 of a cup of sugar, the juice of a half a lemon, about a teaspoon of poppy seed, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, a tablespoon of oil, and then we're just gonna shake, shake, shake.
That's perfect.
Yes, and just that quick.
So
now, Donna,
pretty.
when I go to shake these things, I put a rag on it just in case.
Yeah.
Because I've had them leaking,
I know,
all
those
go
mason
all over
jars,
me.
sometimes they don't seal.
Yeah.
That's right. Okay,
So
great.
I'm just gonna shake this up.
Pretty
So we
color.
just want to dissolve that. Our almonds are toasted now.
Okay.
So we'll just toss those in and we'll just taste the salad a little later. Let's taste our salad.
That looks so good.
All right, let me know how you like it. It's sweet. And the vinegar made it a little tart. Yum. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.